Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I'm doing a share-along video. I found out about this from Darla. She's the crafty yarn owl with Darla. She is from Canada. She decided that to do a share-along with the smaller channels, their tutorials, to give them more exposure. So I am myself one of the smaller channels, and so I thought that was a great idea. So I actually did one of Darla's projects. This is her corner to corner cowl. This is very simple. Her instructions are very easy, very simple, easy to follow. It ends up beautiful and gorgeous. I don't think the red is coming through as it actually is in real life. On the camera, to me, it looks much brighter, like a cherry red, and in person it's a rich, it's a darker red. So maybe if I can capture a photo of that, I will, but reds are very hard on camera to capture the real red. So I loved this tutorial from Darla. It was very easy to do, and something you can do while watching TV, which I love. I don't like putting down my project and not knowing where I'm at or needing to write down where I'm at, etc. I guess mindless knitting is what people call projects when you do mindless knitting. Not necessarily mindless, because you do need a mind to do it, but simple and easy and beautiful at the end for the end result. So thank you, Darla, for the tutorial. I will be sharing another share-along project in a few days. That will be a shawl. So this cowl is for me. I made it with an H hook, a 5.0 mm. These hooks that I bought, it's like a set that you can put together. It's really hard to see, but it doesn't have the actual H. It has the millimeter size. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. These hooks are actually pretty cool. I am a clover person, and I'm always looking for something that is similar but slightly larger, and this is slightly larger than a clover. It's not slippery, it's grippy. You take the hook out, the hook top out with a small wrench. These are pretty darn close to clover hooks as far as the use. I'm not as fast with these, but I like them. I'm getting used to them. I really like the grip on them. Just for simplicity's sake, you can grab the whole set, take it with you in a to-go bag. It's pretty nice. I will try to find the link for those. I bought them on Amazon. I actually bought two sets. I bought one light up set and one not light up set, and I like them both. So I'll have to maybe put some pictures in here of the products that I purchased so that you can take a look at them. One set was kind of pricey, the other one was not. Anyway, that aside, the yarn I used, this is Yunky Monkey yarn. And if you have never heard of Yunky Monkey before, they are a very small scale yarn company. They have some acrylic. I have not purchased that. They are getting wool. I've been checking, but I have not seen it available yet. They have this, and this is cotton bamboo, 70% bamboo, 30% cotton. It says on the tag that it is worsted bamboo. No, not even close. We're looking at a fingering weight here. I took 3 of these. Excuse my hands, it's incredibly dry here. I took 3 strands together, and that's what I made the cowl with. So you can either buy 5 packs or you can buy 10 packs. I bought a 10 pack. Overall, I like the yarn. One out of, let's see, 1 to 10 scale, I would give them probably a 6.5 to 7. The only problem I ran into with this yarn was there was some breaks and some splits in the plies. Not a huge deal. I'm kind of used to that, using any yarn with, you know, it's just part of the process. But yeah, I think it feels great. I think it's totally worth the money. You get a 10 pack for, I think it's $19.95. 5-pack for like $12.95. They're a super great deal. Yardage on these, let me take a look. They are, let me bring the label here, maybe I can see it better. 230 yards, 210 meters per skein. So you're getting quite a bit of yardage. Like I said, it is more of a fingering weight. Ignore the package label that says worsted, because it is not at all worsted weight. I don't know why they call it that, but I don't really care. I mean, I was taking a gamble with it. I like the yarn fiber together, the bamboo with the cotton. I like that blend. It is great for wearables. This cowl will be for me 100%. I live in South Dakota. We do some shoveling. I usually throw my hood on when I am shoveling. I don't grab, you know, all the gear. So this will be my go-to when I'm shoveling, to pull up around my mouth. It gets really cold here, like negative whatever. So this is mine, and it will be used quite often actually in the winter time. And if it's like a cold fall night, cold spring, you know, beginning of spring, this would be perfect because it's very breathable with the fiber content in this yarn. So go check Darla out. She is the Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. She is a wonderful lady. She has lots of tutorials and videos and sharings of her projects. She's very interesting and you will enjoy her. And you probably already know about her, but hey, if you don't, go check her out. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.